Hello, hello, hello! Good noon mga ka-friendship! Time ran so fast! Katatapos lang mag-breakfast and here we go again! Nandito tayo sa kusina. Nagluluto po tayo ng ulam ng anak natin. Okay, so mga ka-friendship, introducing talaga parang mas ano lang no, mga actor and actresses sa movie. Introducing my yummy ala pineapple chicken. Kayo na mag-intindi sa pangalan ng recipe ko ha. Anyway, I'm sorry na hindi ko na ipakita sa inyo yung pag-umpisa. But I think this is the important part, okay? Because all of us, we know na the first step that we're going to add is the oil and then all the spices. Okay? So there you go. At this moment, I'm already adding, okay, the chicken. The cottage chicken. Okay, there you go. As you can see, it's already boiling. So, I'm sorry mga ka-Debsi to tell you that we are running out of tomato sauce. So, therefore, I use the fresh tomato and then allow it to simmer and then turn into sauce. Okay, so there you go. As you can see, this tomato sauce is fresh. Okay, so continue mixing hanggang mag-incorporate yung tomato sauce natin dito. Our fresh tomato sauce. Sorry kung hindi ko nga naipakita sa inyo, talagang fresh na fresh yan. So, for this time, we're going to add a little amount of hot water. So, there you go, added hot water. Why boiling water, mga ka-friendship? Okay? Boiling water, it helps to fasten, okay? Our recipe na mabilis siyang maluto. Unlike sa mga tap water na we have to add a tap water, then we have to wait till it boils. Okay? So, for the hot water, very easy. Okay? You can actually, you can immediately add all the ingredients and then allow it to simmer again and you're good to go. Right? So, I'm hoping that you get what I mean. So, after a long wait, okay, 2 minutes, I think for me it's a long wait. So, there you go. It's already boiling. And I think it's time rather, okay, to add the seasoning. To get more delicious, I add here the fish sauce. Yan ang pampalasa ko. That, adding a little amount of magic syrup. Mix it well. Mga ka-friendship, for me, we like to add black pepper here and red pepper as well. But since we don't have right now those ingredients, so pass muna. Parang order lang ng banana loaf, no? Pass muna. Okay, so there you go. After adding those seasoning, it's about time to add our pineapple tidbits. Ayan. From Del Monte quality. Baka naman dyan. Ayan, ilagay na natin siya para mag-incorporate yung lasa nito doon sa chicken natin. At masarap sana siya kung mayroon siyang pickles and carrots. There you go. And after adding those seasoning and then the pineapple as well, pineapple tidbits then, again, what things that we're going to do is to put a cover and allow it to simmer for another 1 to 3 minutes. And after that, we're good to go. I know, gutom na ang youngest ko kasi hindi kumain ng pancake. Ayaw talaga nila yan mga ka-friendship, sorry. 3 minutes is over mga ka-friendship, so let's check. Wow, look at that. How pretty, how beautiful and yummy it is. Look at my pineapple with chicken ala blah blah. Ayan, o pininyahang manok. In short, that's pininyahang manok. Okay, so this is my pininyahang manok, the simplest way of cooking pininyahang manok. Wow, so it's about time to taste, okay? Wow, delicious! It's yummy and creamy. Kakaiba talaga ang tomato, no? Tomato is really kakaiba. Parang kanta lang ni Donalyn Bartolome. Kakaibabes, kakaibabes, kakaibabes. Ganun lang. Kakaibabes, kakaibabes, kakaibabes. Word na mga ka-friendship sa ating pinanyahang manok. Chicken with pineapple, stocks and slice. So, that's for today mga ka-friendship. Bye for now. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to follow, like, and share. Bye mga ka-friendship.